Hey y'all, haven't been skating for a while just because I've been injured a lot. So today the package arrived. Oh no, I'm doing a video. What's inside this Walgreens bag? Alright, got the frames out, let's have a look. Alright, so this is the Trigger Rainbow freerocker frame. Has a anti-rocker like design while also being some sort of free style frame. Now the reason why I got this was because, I'll be honest, I'm working on my soul grinds and I'm not that good with them. Now many would just be like, oh, just get good. Me personally, I don't cope, so Now what's best about this is the fact that it only needs 2 wheels. So that's just absolutely bodacious, I would say. I don't think so. Alright, so it turns out this thing doesn't really fit onto it. Maybe I could use some modification. That's fine. We have some modification things that we can use here, so. Well, this comes with a wacky new system where you can just place this thing in. So now all you gotta do is just press this part in and screw the other part in. So that's just fantastic. Overall, this seems pretty high quality. Looks really nice. Probably gonna do a modification, compatibility modification where I can put this on the USD thing because as of now it doesn't really fit on it. I guess that one's on me, so my bad. But yeah, overall this is pretty good. Feels high quality. Yep. I think this is a must-have, but only if you know what kind of skates it is compatible with. I guess that's the ones on me. I should have read, so I know what it's for. But yeah. There are also these tiny little silly thingies that go right here. They kind of just like pop in there. I don't know. It's kind of hard to get in there, but once they're in there, they're in there. Well, I mean, duh, that's how things work, Brian. Common sense, dummy. Of course, it's a tricky task to put it in there. But like I said, when it's in there, it's in there. God damn it. Oh, there we go. That's perfect. So this is a thing that goes right between the wheel, which is great. Beachy and fantastic. Make sure that's in there. Make sure that the wheels, on there. Looks pretty good. So I'm guessing through this frame, the maximum size for the wheel would be like somewhere around like 60, maybe more. I don't know. Yeah, 60. Yeah. Okay, now I'm a stickler for this, so we're gonna get this right. Alright, well that's perfect. Last thing to do with this wheel is just to get the other screw and just screw it on. Alright. Not looking too shabby. Pretty good. Alright. Well, that's pretty much that part of the frame. Here's yeah, looks pretty good. So the main idea of the anti-rocker is that when you're grinding, you hit the anti-rocker over the wheel, which is usually what happens in a flat setup as well, and which is why it makes some soul grinds more tedious to land, because they're just difficult with the flat setup. I don't really like the flat setup. Well, that's pretty much it. I'll probably do like a modification. Oh yeah, we also got some stickers, which is pretty cool. I gotta figure out where to put those though, so yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. My video limit is 420, so that's actually freaking hilarious. Bye.